In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show all symbols in MetaTrader 5. If you've opened MetaTrader 5 and you're only seeing a limited list of instruments, don't worry. This is completely normal. By default, the platform may only display a small selection of symbols in the MarketWatch panel. If you want to view everything your broker makes available, including forex pairs, indices, stocks, and commodities, the process is very quick. To begin, launch the MetaTrader 5 terminal. Once the platform is open, look to the left side of your screen for the MarketWatch window. This is the panel that displays the list of trading symbols currently visible in your workspace. It's the main area you'll use to access instruments, monitor prices, and open charts, so it's important to make sure it's on screen before continuing. If the Market Watch window is not visible, you can bring it back in one of two ways. The fastest option is to press Ctrl and M on your keyboard. You can also use the top menu by clicking View, then selecting Market Watch. Either method will restore the panel so you can continue with the next step. Once the Market Watch window is visible, move your cursor anywhere inside the symbol list and right-click. This opens a context menu with several options related to managing what appears in that panel. Make sure you right-click directly within the list area, not outside the panel, so the correct menu appears. From that menu, select Show All. As soon as you click it, MetaTrader 5 will update the MarketWatch panel and display all symbols offered by your broker. This happens instantly in most cases, so you should see the list expand right away. After that, your panel will populate with a full set of available instruments, usually organized alphabetically and grouped by category. Depending on your broker, this may include major and minor forex pairs, stock indices, individual shares, commodities, and possibly other asset classes as well. If the list becomes long, you can scroll through it to find the instruments you need more easily. That's all it takes to show all symbols in MetaTrader 5. This is especially useful when you're looking for a market that isn't currently visible or when you want a complete view of what your broker offers. Once everything is displayed, you can browse the list and work more efficiently inside the platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.